In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Gmail account password after receiving your recovery link. Now, if you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, I had already made a video about how to recover your Gmail account without phone number and password. So, after you've received this link, now I'm going to show you how to recover your Gmail account password. So, go and check on that video. I'm going to leave it in the description below. Go and watch that video for you to receive the link that I'm going to use to recover my password. So as you can see, I'm on my Gmail account. As you can see, the email is on the top there. I've not opened it. So I'm going to open it in order to recover my password. So this is the email that I was recovering without phone number and without email. Once you open it, you're just going to tap on Get Started. Then it will open your browser. So here you are going to change your password. So you are going to enter your new password, then you confirm the password. So I'm going to do that. Once you've created your password and confirm, then tap on change password. So I've already changed the password. So this is just a continuation of that video of how to recover your Gmail account without phone number and without your recovery email. So go and check on that video, then you will come and proceed with this video. So if you find this video useful, please consider to leave a like, and also please consider to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.